back to Carnation. Today, we're taking a closer look at a truly extraordinary concept, the 2026 Ferrari F6 Motorhome. Imagine combining the unmistakable spirit of Ferrari with the comfort and practicality of a luxury motorhome. That is exactly what makes this futuristic machine so fascinating. In this review, we'll explore its exterior design, interior performance, technology, practicality, and expected pricing. Starting with the exterior, the Ferrari F6 Motorhome immediately stands out with a dramatic, performance-inspired design. Instead of looking like a traditional box-shaped RV, this concept features a much more aerodynamic body with smooth surfaces, aggressive lines, and a low, sporty visual character. The front section could feature a signature Ferrari-inspired grille, slim LED lighting, and sculpted aerodynamic elements that give the motorhome a strong road presence. From the side, the long body provides plenty of living space while maintaining a sleek appearance. Large panoramic windows would allow natural light to enter the cabin, while integrated storage compartments could provide practical space for travel equipment. The wheels would likely be large and premium-looking, complemented by high-performance braking hardware and a sophisticated suspension system. At the rear, the design could become even more impressive. A wide LED lighting signature, aerodynamic bodywork, and a carefully integrated rear section would create a futuristic appearance. The overall shape is designed to look less like a conventional RV and more like a luxury Grand Tourer transformed into a mobile. Residents step inside, and the Ferrari F6 Motorhome concept becomes even more interesting. The interior would be expected to combine Ferrari-inspired luxury with the comfort required for long-distance travel. Premium materials such as leather, carbon fiber style trim, polished metal accents, and soft-touch surfaces could create an atmosphere that feels more like a luxury lounge than a traditional motorhome. The front cockpit would likely focus heavily on technology. A large digital instrument display could provide essential driving information, while a central touchscreen could control navigation, entertainment, climate functions, and vehicle settings. Advanced driver assistance technology could also make long highway journeys more comfortable. Moving into the living area, the F6 could offer a sophisticated lounge with comfortable seating that transforms into additional sleeping space. A compact but luxurious kitchen could include a refrigerator, cooking area, sink, storage cabinets, and modern appliances. Depending on the configuration, there could also be a premium bathroom with a shower, toilet, vanity, and efficient storage. The sleeping area would be one of the most important parts of this motorhome. A large, comfortable bed could provide a relaxing space after a long journey, while ambient lighting and panoramic windows could create a premium, hotel-like atmosphere. Some versions could even feature smart home-style controls, allowing occupants to manage lighting, temperature, entertainment, and other functions from a central interface. Now, let's talk about performance. Because this is a Ferrari-inspired motorhome concept, expectations would naturally be high. However, it's important to remember that detailed official specifications and confirmed production information for a 2026 Ferrari F6 Motorhome are not established here, so any performance figures should be considered speculative rather than official. A vehicle of this size would prioritize smooth power delivery, stability, and long-distance comfort rather than extreme sports car acceleration. A powerful electrified or high-output powertrain could potentially provide strong torque, making highway driving and hill climbing easier. An advanced automatic transmission and sophisticated suspension system would also help deliver a smoother driving experience. Handling would be another major challenge. A luxury motorhome needs stability, especially when carrying passengers and equipment. Advanced electronic stability control, adaptive suspension, powerful braking systems, and modern driver assistance features could help make the vehicle easier and safer to manage. Efficiency could also be an important part of the concept. Hybrid or electric technology could reduce fuel consumption and provide quieter operation around campsites. A large battery system could potentially support onboard appliances and provide additional energy for the living area, although exact battery capacity and charging specifications would depend on the final engineering design. And then there's the price. If Ferrari ever developed a genuine production motorhome with this level of luxury and technology, it would likely sit firmly in the ultra-premium market. However, there is no confirmed official MSRP for a production 2026 Ferrari F6 Motorhome. In the information we're discussing, any online price estimates should therefore be treated as speculation. Given Ferrari's positioning and the specialized engineering required for a luxury motorhome, the eventual cost could potentially reach several $100,000 or more. What makes this concept so exciting is the idea behind it. Traditional motorhomes focus mainly on space and practicality, while Ferrari represents performance, design, exclusivity, and automotive emotion. Combining these philosophies would create something completely different. The 2026 Ferrari F6 Motorhome as a concept represents a fascinating vision of luxury travel. From its aggressive exterior and premium interior to its futuristic technology and performance-focused character, it could redefine what people expect from a high-end motorhome. If Ferrari ever turns an idea like this into reality, it could become one of the most unusual and desirable luxury touring vehicles ever imagined. For now, consider the F6 Motorhome a futuristic concept rather than a confirmed production model. Thanks for watching, Car Nation. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the futuristic Ferrari F6 Motorhome, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next automotive review. See you in the next one.